Watchman here. I'm out here with KC Camera Boy and SGV News First. We're out here in Santa Monica. We're gonna come here to the Santa Monica City Hall, and then from here we're gonna visit the Santa Monica Police Department. Like always, we're going to conduct the First Amendment audit. Boy, alrighty. Hey, how are you?
Good, good. Wait, people, go away.
What she wants to go away for?
No one said I was going to be on that.
I said it. So let's talk about it.
Why? What's wrong?
I don't like to be on that stuff.
Oh.
Why though? You leaving though?
Yes.
I thought you were asleep. I guess not. Good.
Well. Bikes. Oh, I just heard something. I heard somebody say something about touching somebody's camera. Yeah, I'm sorry. What happened?
You almost hit my camera right now. He's the one who paid for it. Estación L.
Resort to
I'm gonna assume this is open to the public. Flashy time. Say hi to my fans. I tried.
What's up, everybody?
Hell yeah, you have a YouTube channel, any page?
I know.
You want to promote anything? Your YouTube channel, Facebook page? We
No,
got you right now, my man.
No.
You know what I'm
I watch you guys every day.
All right, hey, here.
Hey.
As a matter of fact, let me give you a business card. You were cool.
Every day.
My last one.
Every
Just
day.
for special.
Appreciate you, man.
Every day.
Yeah, say, man.
You guys, what's the guy? High Desert.
High Desert.
Yeah.
Johnny 5-0.
Yep.
Yeah, and two.
Everybody.
Yep.
Everybody.
Sit there, watch.
Thank you for watching, man.
Alright, keep it going. Keep up with the chat.
Yeah, check out AB Watchman.
Oh yeah, all of them, baby. All of them, man. All of them, baby. Watch all of them, man. Keep up
Nice
with
to
the
meet
chat.
you, brother.
All right.
Yep.
For a story, then we'll go ahead and let people know that, hey, there's a story here, but we haven't found the story, so.
Okay,
I
well,
couldn't tell you how it's gonna be used if I don't.
is it
know
a
myself.
project that you're working on for?
No, not
That makes
that
sense
more
for a story,
questions.
that's it.
It's just
But-
too much, you know?
But who are you on assignment with?
myself.
Assignment, no.
Yeah.
Because you have a lot of cameras, which is fine, you can be here, it's a public space, of course, but I just want to be able to inform our staff, because people obviously get uncomfortable
I mean,
in
you can
front
let
of
them know that
cameras.
there's a couple of independent photographers here just randomly taking pictures of anything they can see from, from public.
Yeah, just like tourists.
This entire building.
Okay,
Yeah, but we're not with anybody or, organize anything, no.
can I just ask that if you're going to film staff, you let them know in advance, because it's a little disarming when you have a lot of cameras and you're filming folks. I'm happy to share information on behalf of the
I
city
was
with
trying
you.
to just be really peaceful and quiet.
Oh,
and
yeah,
I kind of would have been out of this area, but you kind of trapped us in here, so now.
No, I'm just trying to understand
Now
who you are.
became like kind of like the interaction, but I mean, we were kind of just like observing quietly and we were gonna be
Yeah.
that way, but.
No, that's fine.
How
I'm
come
just-
so many people freak out over cameras?
Well, why do people freak out over
Yeah.
cameras? Well, a lot of people are camera shy. A lot of people are shy in general, and so it's kind of
Yeah,
can
you
can
can just let
concern
them know
them.
that we're here and,
Okay.
and that's about it,
All right, I appreciate your
Thank
the
you.
information you provided. If you're
Thank
looking
you
for
so
any
much. I appreciate
information
that.
from me, my
Thank
information
you.
is there as well as my cell phone number.
Appreciate it.
You can contact me. Yep,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Appreciate your business, though. How do you need it?
I'll wait here.
Oh, okay. I hope you're not filming this for like Google Earth or something.
Google Earth.
From the inside, that's cool, huh? Like 3D. You go inside now?
Oh, yeah, inside the restaurant.
Yeah.
That'd be cool, huh?
Yeah, that would be
Google
cool.
Earth take you to see your dinners. Wow.
Yeah, maybe.
I think I can take my picture.
Yeah.
You can help it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Here, look.
You guys are awesome. That's been great. Oh, hey.
My bad, I'm off. Is it free?
Absolutely.
Thank you, I'll take one.
If I'm being filmed, may I ask for what?
We're just gathering content for a story. And you?
My name is Lindsay Haley.
Hi. Again, it's totally fine, but if you could please ask permission of staff before filming them, I think that's the more appropriate protocol here instead of just going into spaces and filming folks. I'm, again, happy to provide information to you out in the hallway if there's anything specifically you want to know about the city of Santa Monica. That's my role, and I'm happy to share anything in particular that you're looking for, if there's a topic or something that interests you specifically. But coming in and filming staff really is uncomfortable for folks, and I think it's appropriate that you get permission before doing
Quick
that.
question,
Yeah, of course.
because like you're talking about a lot of people's feelings and how they're feeling and how it's so uncomfortable, but
That's not the law.
I mean, do you think that trumps people's rights that you feel a certain way about what my approach is?
No, I think like asking staff, are you comfortable being filmed? I think they can speak for themselves.
I
I'm
mean,
just saying in general, if you could ask that question
We're kind
before
of-
filming, that
we're
would be.
in a public space. This is why we come here, because this is a public space, so we're allowed to do this. So that's why we don't go, like I said earlier, to Target or somewhere where it's private property. People are shopping with their kids and stuff like that, right?
Right, but usually we have an understanding of what it is you're
Well, I mean, there's
you're
nothing to
covering or
understand.
things.
We're just gathering content. We're just, it's just like
Do you have
B-roll
a-
footage, just to, show an office or whatever. But, if you want to get involved with the back and forth, then you kind of ruin the shot, and then we have to start all over, and then come in quietly, just get some B-roll, and then go to the
If we
next.
could keep the B-roll to the public parts of the building instead of coming into the offices, just because it
I mean,
is
we'll try,
it
The
is.
thing is that people want to see the 3D, like the guy was talking about, can I see this on Google Earth? No, but, if you want to see a 3D version.
So is
If
this
you wanna-
office
if
open
you-
to the
if
public
you-
here or no?
If you want to set up, times to do an interview or
No, there's no
Then-
interview.
then we
We just
can do
wanted to
that.
quietly, peacefully come in here and then keep going, and then that way people see like, oh, that's the Santa Monica City Hall.
Is this office open to the public? Or?
yeah, this office is
No.
open to the public. This is City Hall. It is
And you
a
guys
public
work.
space.
You guys work for the county.
No, we work for the city
For
of
the
Santa
city?
Monica.
Okay. And
Yeah.
you guys get paid, though, through... How do you guys get paid? Through tax dollars or...
Yes, we are, of course.
Okay. So that's
funded
why
by
we're
the
here.
residents of
That's
Santa
why we're here,
Monica.
because we
Yeah,
we
no,
help
and you're
contribute
welcome
with
to
that
be
funding.
Here. My only
Right.
request to you is that if you're going to be particularly filming our staff here at the city of Santa Monica, that you ask for their permission
Yeah, no,
first.
I mean, I don't personally come in and target, I do the artwork and stuff, and if you start interacting, then obviously I'm gonna.
Well, but when I walked in here, you were filming Lindsay, and I don't believe you asked for her permission
I mean, I'm
before
not
doing
gonna ask
that.
anybody's, I'm trying to be as quiet as I can, like I said earlier, it's gonna ruin my
Hi,
film.
Tracy.
Like a lot of the talking and stuff just ruins my film, so I'm trying to be as quiet.
And
as
I
can.
understand that. I'm not trying to
And
ruin
just
your
kinda
film. I
do
just
a-
want to
a
make sure
quick
if you
sweep
do
and then
and
keep
talk.
going.
But if
you
you're
know.
gonna come in and film staff, I'm just asking that you ask for their permission
I'm gonna
first.
try.
But look, can we do this out in the hallway? I don't want to disrupt business, and
No,
you
of
are
course
coming
not.
in, and
You made it about that though, I mean, the thing is, you wanna keep talking.
Okay, look, you guys are... Here, can I talk? You guys are
This
public
is-
employees,
Yes.
which means we don't have to ask you guys permission. You guys, when you guys took this job duty, this job title, we have the right to come in here and film,
And
take
I-
photographs of whatever we want of public employees.
I
We don't
don't-
have to ask. We don't have to go with personal feelings or nothing like that. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but it's true. We just come in, we document, then we leave.
That's fine.
That's it.
But
Have a nice day.
All right, have a nice
Who's the
day.
mayor? Is that the mayor?
This is our assistant city manager, not our mayor. Thank you.
Come back soon for more business.
I got tired of sitting there hearing that mumbo jumbo.
The other way I can go is I can go out on 74 the other way. Go 74 the other way.
Oh, wow.
You're not supposed to be taking stuff anyway.
Oh, sorry. Whoa.
Look, Tracy?
Yes.
These people are taking stuff and I don't know why. They're not,
Taking stuff.
Taking
Not
stuff.
taking
they're not telling me for what.
What are you
We're
guys
taking
doing?
stuff. We're just taking.
What are we
photos of
taking?
Anything we can see, pretty much.
But why?
Because we're in
That's
the
what I said.
we're in the public's area of the city hall, so.
Have you talked to anybody about doing this?
Oh yeah, we've been talking to everybody all day. Thank
You
you.
know?
You could have quit something.
Sure, your business though. Come back soon.
Is it fine for them just to be
That's a
taking
cool
pictures
phone.
of whatever they want?
I think I had your phone. It's a Marple.
They can
Break
They
control.
can
honey,
be
I
here.
brought
If they're
your-
going to interview staff, they have to ask permission before doing that. But because it is a public space, yes, they are allowed to be here.
We're not interviewing people. They're talking to us. So.
Do you know what the purpose is?
No, we don't know the purpose of it, but I have connected with
There's
them,
no
Tracy.
purpose.
So
Okay,
I
good.
appreciate you reaching out to me and connecting with me.
Hey, are you off your medication today? Man, you seem like very excited and so or something.
Very excited.
Yeah, like
I don't know what to say about that, but
I think.
Yeah.
Are you guys tolerant?
I'm not sure what that means. If you would like an official interview, I'm happy to provide it. But I think
Yeah, can we have one?
I guess not.
not if it's. Look, gentlemen, I'm trying to be helpful to you.
This is like the third time I walked away from you. Stop following me. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to cause anything. I'm sorry. I understand how you feel though.
Well, this is my role, so
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
my job
I
here
mean,
at
yeah,
the
you
city of
gotta
Santa
kinda
Monica,
deal with it, yeah.
and I'm trying to be helpful to you. I don't know what topic you're covering, so
But
I
you keep
can't be.
pointing at me like I'm part of, you know, like
This
so
is getting good.
independent
This
of
is
it.
down too.
That's how it should be. He waved.
So upset. So upset.
Oh yes. Okay, bye.
Why are they acting weird here?
The thing is that. Hello.
Hi guys,
City
Hi.
manager.
I'm the assistant city manager.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very great attitude. Thank you. All right, guys. AB Watchman here. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section about the Santa Monica City Hall. Let me know what you think about that lady who kept telling us to ask for permission. If anyone out there wants to get a hold of me, add me on Facebook or Instagram under Antelope Valley Watchman. Go ahead and send me a message on Messenger or a message on Instagram, and I'll get right back to you immediately. It's kind of hard for me to keep track of every single comment here on YouTube. I have a lot of videos on here, which adds up to a lot of comments, and it damn near makes it impossible for me to respond back to every single comment. If I could, I would, guys, but I work, I have a job, and there's times when I take my break, I'll sit down and read through the comments and answer as many as I could. All right, guys, much love and respect, man. Appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I've said it before. I'm going to say it again. You guys are family to me, and it means a lot to know that I have so many people who are going to have my back when I'm out there auditing or while I'm out there cop watching. I highly appreciate you guys. This is AV Watchman. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. I do have some other videos I have to work on now. I'll be uploading them very soon here. You guys take care, be safe, and I'll see you soon. AV Watchman, and I'm signing out.